Good day everyone, I am Rigid Baguio from Bethel Ed 1-7. The question is, how do you human acts affect relationship and society? The human action is significantly shape relationships and the society. Positive action like kindness and empathy strengthen relationships and foster positive social environment. While negative actions like dishonesty and violence damage relationships and disrupt social order, our choices directly impact the well-being of both our personal conditions and the wider community. Human actions, both big and small, have profound impact on the fabric of our relationships and the overall health of society. Think of it like a ripple effect. One action can create a chain of consequences that extend far beyond the initial act. In relationships, positive acts, when we show kindness, honesty, and empathy in our interaction, we build foundation of trust and intimacy. It's like investing the relationship, each act of care and understanding the sentence of bond. Imagine a friend who listens attentively during a difficult time. That act of empathy depends their connection. Negative acts, conversely, actions like lying, betrayal, and disrespect can quickly erode the trust and goodwill we build. It's like pulling a thread consistently. One act of dishonesty can unravel years of secrets. In our society, pro-social acts like volunteering, donating, and charity and helping neighborhoods create a sense of community and well-being. This action inspires others to do the same, fostering a positive social environment where people feel connected and supported. So antisocial acts like crime, discrimination, and violence, disrupt social order and create fear and division. They make it difficult for the social to function harmoniously. That's all. And thank you.